Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to Deafen on Discord. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now go to your home page. Here, you can see the option of voice channels. Press on General. Click on Join Voice. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.